issues guidelines for Durga Puja, says no mela will be allowed. MP Narendra Modi's 70th birthday celebrated at Nomati constituency. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Bhamilin Teronpi, bringing you the latest news for today. Now the news in details. Keeping in view the growing number of COVID-19 cases in the state and the alarming rate of its spread, the government of Assam had on Wednesday released a notification regarding the ensuing Durga Puja in the state. The directive have been made keeping in view the safety measure to prevent the spread of the pandemic. According to the notification, there shall be no mela, etc. in and around puja pandals. No temporary pandal shall be allowed to be erected on and by the side of any street. A maximum of 30 persons, inclusive of organizer and priest, shall be allowed to gather at any time in the puja pandals. A maximum of 20 devotees shall be allowed to gather at any puja premises subject to there being sufficient space to maintain social distancing. Puja organizers are asked not allow any person to enter the puja premises without face cover and washing of hands. It will be the responsibility of puja organizers to arrange for facilities for hand washing, sanitization at entrance of puja premises. In addition to that, the government has made it clear that no permission for any immersion procession shall be given by the authority under any circumstances. Maximum of 5 persons shall be allowed to complete the ritual of immersion. All visitors to puja locations shall be subjected to thermal scanning by puja organizers, and no person with any symptoms related to COVID-19 shall be allowed to enter the puja pandals. In case any visitors to puja pandal is suspected to be symptomatic with COVID-19, it will be the responsibility to the puja organizers to inform the nearest government medical facility and arrange for shifting of such person to the nearest COVID treatment center. Deputy commissioners have also been directed to make necessary arrangements to ensure that immersion is staggered over 3-day period to avoid congestion and large gathering on any one day. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Under the directive of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Singhi, the BJP workers in Nomati constituency had celebrated the 70th birthday of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Here is a report of the activities during the program. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Singhi Deputy had given directive to the BJP workers of his home constituency to organize a small program on the occasions of the birthday of the Indian Prime Minister on Thursday. Accordingly, the party workers from all polling stations under Nomati, along with Nomati Constituency BJP Mandal Committee, Yuva Morcha, Mahila Morcha, Kisan Morcha and ST Morcha had jointly come together to mark the day. Several local party leaders along with former Vice President of Assam State BJP were present in the program. They planted trees on the occasion as a symbol to dedications and love towards Mother Nature. Bikram Teron reports from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live. The Langhin BJP Yuva Morcha had on Thursday distributed trees saplings in its office. The program was conducted in association with the Langhin BJP Mandal parent body. The sapling distribution was held to mark the 70th birthday of the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Party workers from all polling stations under Langhin constituency, including Phelangkro, Jaipong, Adarsa, Langhin, Manikpur and Jaipong Bajar, took part in the event. Yuva Morcha President Dhuniram Rongpi said that They have distributed saplings to make people aware about the importance of trees and the need to preserve. He emphasized on the point that no life exists without trees. He also said that for a place like Karbi Anglong, where people are very much dependent on nature, it is very much needed for the society to release the growing environmental problems due to immense cutting of trees.
Langhin Homostir অন্তর্গত সকলো গোট কমিটিৰ সভাপতি তথা সম্পাদক আদি কৰি আজি আমাৰ দেশৰ প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী শ্ৰীযুত নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদীৰ ৭০তম জন্মবাৰ্ষিকী উপলক্ষে সেৱা সপ্তাহ কাৰ্যক্ৰম অনুযায়ী আজি বৃক্ষৰোপণ আঁচনিৰ কাৰণে আমি লাংহিন মণ্ডল ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টিৰ তৰফৰ পৰা গছপুলি বিতৰণৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰিছোঁ। এই গছপুলিবোৰ সকলো গোটত যিকোনো স্কুল ঘৰ তথা ক্লাব আদি বা ৰাস্তাৰ কিনাৰত তিনিআলিবোৰত ৰোগৰ বাবে সকলো গোট সমিতিৰ সভাপতি তথা সম্পাদকক মই অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
The youths also planted some saplings in the office compound and the nearby areas. Sarpang Ringti report from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live. Unable to afford money and look after his family, Hirol Singh Phangcho, a resident of Lang Erdang village under the Fort Socheng MSC constituency of West Karbi Anglong district, have sought the noble assistance of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CM Tuliram Ronghang and EM Rup Singh Teran for treatment of his thigh. Our correspondent brings you this report. For over 10 months, Hirol Singh Phangcho, son of Biwel Phangcho and Rabina Teronpi, have been enduring the pain of his thigh that appeared like a small boil when he was working in Chennai in 2019. The boil-like lump soon grew bigger and the pain was excruciating. He managed to return back home and went for treatment in Hamran Hospital upon his return. Phangcho's thigh did not respond to the medicine prescribed by the doctors. His condition worsened, affecting his wife and family as he is the breadwinner and since becoming bedridden. Phangcho has turned his hope CM Tuliram Ronghang and EM Rup Singh Teron and has sought their assistance for his further treatment and hope for quick recovery in order to work and look after his wife.
Poisa tangka bang kenili idi chi orset a poisa stamenili ig pondet lo bon stamen non bang ke nili labang so amek pen kechbi meje fan ning hang stamenili jakong vedet lo la se konsil kachari ke hai elitum CM Tuliram Ronghang fan senili nang rovek nang ji uwang senili ninga klong pen alang li fan churu perfect lo la se alang li lenang ra break lutang tenili ke methang pen abang soki sung pen kachelang ji fan ke nili jakong velo la se alang li fan se nili chuning ri perfect.
His helpless mother has also pleaded for help from the leaders.
Rongha nalipanang kiningirilo nidi alada vedelo lapian nili supo aklen siya bang Yesu tulang lo kamasi nili si tulang ulo hospital ke kita nili pon lo anke alada vedelo la an nili si ka tulang ta korot talong vedelo la si nali nang ravit ha hem berita vedelo lapen kisu derapan ta ya asmar da do lapen ini tum hem sitara do pi sitala da vedelo hem hormuda
Well-wishers could also extend their assistance towards Hirol Singh Phangcho by sending money at the account number of his mother, Rabina Teronpi, at account number 3726-744-7258, IFSC code number SBIN 0004874. In addition to this, Hirol Singh Phangcho could be reached out through his brother-in-law. Contact at mobile number 600-38-13824. Daniel Inghi reports, Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.